How to fix can't install Tinder on a mobile device. There could be several reasons why the app isn't installing, and I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix the issue and get Tinder up and running on your phone. Let's dive in. First, ensure that your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause the installation to fail. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Make sure your device is compatible with Tinder. Tinder requires Android 6.0 or higher and iOS version 13.0 or later. You can go to the phone settings and check that and update to its latest version. Check your device storage. Insufficient storage space can prevent apps from installing. You can go to the settings, then storage, and check how much free space is available. Delete any unnecessary app photos or files to free up space for a Tinder app. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. If you are connected to VPN or proxy, it could be interfering with the installation. Disable your VPN and try installing Tinder again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next up, restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help clear minor bugs and glitches that might be preventing the app from installing. Simply turn off your device, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then try reinstalling Tinder again. If the above steps don't work, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth settings, which can sometimes resolve installation issues. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix issues when you can't install Tinder on a mobile device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.